How's it going, everybody? Welcome to 2A News Now. And I really do appreciate you taking your time on your busy weekend to watch my video. The Supreme Court has announced a date for the ghost gun case. SCOTUS announced on Friday that the oral arguments will begin on that case involving Biden's ATF ban on so-called ghost guns. And like I said, those oral arguments will begin on October 8th. The name of the case is VanDerStok versus Garland. The case involves the DOJ's 2022 final rule that redefined legal terms when it comes to guns, including firearm, receiver, and frame. And we all know, since this country was born, people were making their own firearms, and it was legal to do so. And in a narrow margin, with a vote of 4-3 in April, the court agreed to consider this challenge. The issue is, and we all know this is the honest-to-God truth, that the ATF and the DOJ completely overstepped their bounds in making this final rule. And as we all know, the Department of Justice and the ATF don't make laws, they make rules. Congress makes laws. And last November, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals unanimously ruled and said in their majority opinion and agreed in no certain terms, the ATF overstepped its bounds in making the final rule. Judge Englehart wrote in his opinion, ATF is promulgating its final rule, attempted to take on the mantle of Congress to do something with respect to gun control. But it is not the province of an executive agency to write laws of our nation. That vital duty, for better or for worse, lies solely with the legislature. The judge continued writing that the final rule flouts clear statutory text and exceeds the legislatively imposed limits on agency authority. And the judge ended by saying, because Congress has neither authorized the expansion of firearm regulation nor permitted the criminalization of previously lawful conduct, the proposed rule constitutes unlawful agency action in direct contravention of the legislature's will, unless and until Congress acts to expand or alter the language of the Gun Control Act. The ATF must operate within the statutory text existing limits. As of late, the Biden-Harris ATF gun control rules have took a huge beating lately, and a lot of cases have been thrown out of court because the judges are ruling they're unconstitutional. And hopefully sometime towards the end of this year, this ghost gun rule will end up in the pile of crap with all the rest of them. As always, I would really like to hear your thoughts about today's video in the comment section down below. And if you guys would like to help the channel out and help it to continue to grow, I ask you just to take a few seconds of your time to like, share, and subscribe, and hit those post notifications, and leave a comment as well. I really would appreciate it. And as always, I invite you to come back and watch my next video.